Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily English Listening Stories. I'm your host, Leo. I'm so happy you are here with us today. Let me ask you a question. Christmas Day is over. The big dinner is finished. All the presents are open. So, what do you do the next day? Do you sleep all day? Do you go shopping? Or do you eat more food? In the UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, the day after Christmas has a special name. It is called Boxing Day. But why boxing? Do people fight? No. Well, maybe over the last piece of cake. Today, I have a special guest with me. She loves holidays, and she is an expert on Boxing Day traditions. Please say hello to Anna.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here today. And don't worry, I won't fight you, Leo. Boxing Day is my favorite day to relax.
That is good news, Anna. So, today we will help you talk about Boxing Day in simple English. We will talk about the history, the food, the shopping, and the sports. Are you ready? Let's start. Anna, the first question is very important. Why is it called Boxing Day? Is it about the sport boxing?
That is a very common question, but no, it is not about fighting with gloves. The name comes from Christmas box.
A Christmas box? What is that?
Long ago, in the UK, rich people gave boxes to their servants. Inside the box, there were small gifts, money, or leftover food. It was a thank you gift for their hard work all year. They gave these boxes on the day after Christmas, December 26th.
Ah, I see. So, Boxing Day means the day of boxes. Boxes of gifts for workers. That is a nice history.
Yes, today we don't give boxes to servants, but the name stayed. It is still a public holiday in many countries. It is a day to say thank you and to relax.
Okay, let's talk about food. On Christmas Day, we cook a huge meal. Turkey, potatoes, vegetables. We always have too much food. So, what do we eat on Boxing Day?
One word, Leo. Leftovers.
Leftovers. That is a great word. Can you explain it for our listeners?
Sure. Leftovers means the food that remains after a meal. The food you did not eat yesterday.
I love leftovers. My favorite Boxing Day lunch is a turkey sandwich. Bread, cold turkey, maybe some stuffing. Delicious.
Me too. It is a lazy day. Nobody wants to cook a big meal again. So we just open the fridge and make sandwiches. Or we make a bubble and squeak.
Bubble and squeak. That sounds funny. What is it?
It is a traditional British dish. You take the leftover potatoes and vegetables, like cabbage, you mash them together, then you fry them in a pan. It makes a sound like bubble and squeak when it cooks.
That sounds tasty and easy. So, Boxing Day food is leftovers, sandwiches, and easy meals. Now, let's talk about something different. Some people relax on Boxing Day, but some people run. They run to the shops. Why, Anna?
Because of the Boxing Day sales. It's like Black Friday in America. Shops have very big discounts. Prices go down. 50% off, 70% off.
Oh, wow! Do you go shopping on Boxing Day?
Sometimes, but it is very crazy. People wake up very early. They wait outside the shops in the cold. When the doors open, everyone runs in. It is too noisy for me.
I agree. I prefer to stay home in my pajamas. But if you want a new TV or clothes, it is a good day to buy. You can say, I got a great deal in the Boxing Day sales. If you don't shop, what else can you do? In the UK, Boxing Day is a big day for sports, right, Anna?
Yes, football, soccer, is very popular. There are many matches on TV on Boxing Day. Fathers and sons often watch the games together. It is a tradition.
And horse racing, too, or cricket in Australia. Basically, men sit on the sofa and watch sports.
And what about the fresh air? Many families go for a Boxing Day walk. After eating so much food, you need to move. So we go to the park or the beach. It is cold, but it feels good.
That sounds perfect. A walk, then back home for more leftover turkey. Okay, Anna, let's review. Boxing Day is on December 26th. We learned 4 main things. 1. History. It comes from Christmas boxes for workers. 2. Food. We eat leftovers. Turkey sandwiches are the best. 3. Shopping. There are big sales and discounts. 4. Activities. Watching sports or going for a walk.
Yes, it is a bonus holiday. A day to do nothing or to do everything.
Exactly. Now, dear listener, it is your turn. I have a question for you. Question of the day. Do you have a second holiday after your big holiday? What do you do? Do you eat leftovers? Do you go shopping? Or do you just sleep?
Please write a short answer in the comments. For example, in my country, we visit friends the next day. Or, I love eating leftover cake for breakfast.
We love reading your answers. Thank you for listening to the channel. We hope you learned something new today.
Have a wonderful day, everyone. Enjoy your leftovers.
See you next time. Bye.